Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to rewatch tutorials or guides in Heartopia. So if you are still confused about certain activities, events, or even how to use specific tools in Heartopia, don't worry, you can actually rewatch the in-game tutorials anytime. And here's how. First, just open your smartwatch and then just go to settings. And then in here, just simply tap on the tutorial, this one. And just like that, there are tutorials for different events, various activities, and even explanations for certain item, tools, and maybe game feature. So if you ever forget how something works, or if you accidentally skip a tutorial earlier, you can just simply come back to this menu and just review everything at your own pace, like this. You can see it. And I think this menu is very useful feature for both new and returning players, especially when Heartopia adds new content or events. And okay, that's it. That's how you can rewatch tutorials and guides in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.